This is the SCP Foundation, an organization once dedicated to capturing and studying paranormal phenomena. If you are hearing this message, it means we have failed. A dangerous anomaly has breached containment, and the end of the world is imminent. You may have already noticed the phenomenon. Flowers blooming in every corner of the world, even in places where life should be impossible. At first, it seemed almost peaceful, a poetic symbol of nature reclaiming the earth. Violence declined, and for a brief moment, humanity felt a strange sense of calm. But this was no mere omen. It was the beginning of something far worse. We were wrong about everything. These flowers are not just spreading, they are consuming. Every living thing they touch is transformed, reshaped into their image. Humans, animals, even entire landscapes. Nothing is spared. There is no cure, no escape, no resistance. They will find you. The Foundation urges you to use what little time remains to say your goodbyes, if your loved ones are still alive. Survival is not an option. This is the end. We failed you, and for that, we are sorry. It was an honor to serve humanity. We were the SCP Foundation. We secured, we contained, we protected.